We finally got the engine in. Just gotta wire things up, so that's what I'm about to do. Start wiring it up and put the headers on and hopefully get ready to start it up. Okay, you see we got the headers over here on the driver's side and over here on the passenger side, and we just got to wire it up right now. Had to put the headers in, kind of struggled a little bit with that, but as you see, it's kind of hot out here, and we had to construct a tent over it just to keep the sun from beaming down on us. And you see the tent, so but we're gonna get back to it. All right, we had to go through the bottom with the headers, so we had to go up through the bottom, had to remove the steering, also attached the dry shaft, you can see back there, and got everything going from there. And that's the other header on the other side, which we had to go both headers from the bottom. Okay, got the radiator in. We had to put that in from the bottom also, and come to find out we don't have all the wirings to plug up the radiator, so I'm gonna have to research it and see if I can find some more wires or a wire harness.